Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Keyword Planner and signing in. This gives you forecasting and volume data. Enter 5 10-seed keywords or paste a competitor URL so the tool has a starting set. Once done, immediately set location, language, and a date range to match your market. Those filters change volume estimates and trends. Make sure to pick the right match type defaults: broad, phrase, exact, because that affects suggested traffic and cost estimates as you move into idea generation. Now you refine results. Toggle between discovery and forecast modes to get both ideas and numerical projections. Apply filters for average monthly searches, competition level, and estimated CPC so you focus on viable opportunities. This removes low-value noise. Next, group related ideas into topical buckets and label them for intent: commercial, informational, navigational, so you can prioritize. Once grouped, export the CSV and open it in a spreadsheet to sort by volume, CPC, and intent for a clear action list. To finish, convert prioritized keywords into a practical plan. Assign match types, add groups or content pages, and set initial bids based on top-of-page estimates. Use the forecasting tool to project clicks, impressions, and cost so you can set realistic budgets and KPIs. Then schedule tests and iterate weekly. If numbers seem off or sparse, troubleshoot by rechecking location and date filters, ensuring the correct account and billing permissions, and clearing browser cache. These steps usually restore accurate suggestions and estimates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.